Alright.
Oh, that happened.
Alright. Well, you have to jump right after, okay? So
Ready?
Yeah. Don't hurt yourself.
Oh shit.
That was nice.
Alright.
So, when you jump, just make sure not to hit the top.
I'll hit the other side.
Jimmy.
Come on, jump, Simon. Do it.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3.